Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will request you to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, today I am introducing you a new earning website, Sears.vip, where you can make more and more profit. Link of the website you can find in description of the video, and I will tell you how to register in this website. Enter your email address here, then you will enter your login password, post your security password here, then you will enter your Telegram here, and click here to sign up, and you will be registered in this website. I have already been registered in this website, so I will meet you after my login. Friends, I have logged in the website. Here you can see 10 USDT. You have to deposit 10 USDT will be given by the company. In VIP1 you will deposit 10 USDT. Daily profit is 1.4 USDT. In VIP2 you will deposit 60 USDT and you will get 7 USDT. In VIP3 you will invest 150 USDT. Daily profit is 20 USDT. In VIP4 you will invest 300 USDT. Daily profit is 42 USDT. In VIP5 you will invest 600 USDT and you will deposit 365 USDT. In VIP6 you will deposit 1300 and you will get 200 USDT daily. In VIP7 you will invest 2800 and you will get 450 USDT. In VIP9 you will deposit 10,000 and you will get 2000 USDT daily. In VIP10 you will deposit over 15,000 USDT and daily profit is 300 USDT. Within 5 days you can withdraw your principal amount. You can also get the three kind of rebates. For A level team you can get 8%, B level 2%, and for C level you can get 3%. So here you can see deposit, withdrawal. If you want to download the app you can click here. This is the company profile. You can check company profile from here. This is the registered company and you have no fear to lose your money. Here are the VIPs, business hall of the website, and here you can see the commission notification of people receiving on daily basis from this website. These are the missions you have to complete, and this is the team. Share your link and referral code through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, where you think that you can manage a good team. Invite your friends and family members and you can get level 1, level 2 and level 3 rebates. Here are the VIPs. You can join VIPs as per your investment, and one daily task you have to complete. Here is your account, investment, finance record. You can also change, modify login password and security password. So now we will tell you how to add amount in this deposit. Click at deposit. You can deposit through QR code or you can copy the address. I will copy the address from here. Then I will go to my wallet. Go to send USDT TRC20 page and paste the address of the website. Then you will enter the amount. I have to deposit 10 USDT. I will write 10 USDT. Then I will click here to continue and confirm payment from my wallet. After confirming payment from my wallet, I will again come at website and I will click here to recharge complete and my account will be recharged. As I recharge my account, you can see that VIP1 has been opened for me. So I will go to VIP1 and I will complete my task. I have to complete one task, so I will complete it. Go to finish and it's completing. So now it will be completed and now we can go for withdrawal and we can check how much I have earned from this website. Click at withdrawal. Then you can see 1.4 USDT I have earned. I will write 1.4 USDT. After that I will go to my wallet. In wallet I will come at receive USDT TRC20 page and I will copy the address from here. Then I will go to website. At website I will paste the address which I copied from my wallet. Then I will enter my security password and I will click here to confirm. It will be succeeded. Withdrawal has been succeeded. So you can see that I have received 1.4 USDT notification from the website and this amount has been transferred into my wallet. You can also check the proof of timing from my cell phone and wallet address. So friends, you saw that within 5 to 7 minutes I have withdrawn 1.4 USDT from this website, and this amount I will be able to withdraw for 1 year. You can also get this money and more than this. Just join my team, join Sears Mall.vip, where you can change your life with heavy earnings. So I hope that you will like my video, and I also hope that you will be the part of my team and will be the part of Sears Mall.vip, where you can change your life with heavy earnings. Make your own team, share your link and referral code, invite your friends and family members and make a strong team. As much your team will be strong, you can get more and more benefits from this website. So thank you so much to watch my video. We will meet in next earning video. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy.